In this tutorial, I'll teach you how I can send out a discount code on Wix.com. So to start with, you need to set up a coupon code to start with. So go over here in marketing on your dashboard and then go to discounts and coupons here, click, and now we can set up a coupon by clicking the big blue button here. In this case, I've already set up a coupon just for the sake of the video, but you can play around with that. I also have more tutorials on my YouTube about it that you can check out if you need more help. But to actually set up an email marketing, we need to remember what the discount code is, which is 15 off in this case, because you're getting a 15% discount off. And then we need to go over here to email marketing. So marketing on the left-hand side and then email marketing. From here, we can set up an email to send out to all our customers on our email list with this code we just wrote before. So you can choose from a template of your choice, or you can design your own. It's up to you. Let's say we want to do this one. I think that might be quite relevant to this case. So take 30% off your first order. Let's say we want to do 15% because that's what we're sending out. And then we can write with the code, which is 15 off. Oh, 15 off. Here, and you can, design it up to your own liking, insert your logo, change all the colors and everything. You can play around with loads of things here, the background color and everything here, as you can see. But once you're happy with the design of the email, you can go up on the next step up here in the top right corner, and then we can choose who's going to receive this email. So if you want every contact in your email list, you can simply just click on this little tick box here that says all, and as you can see we have 4 members in here in this case, and then you can click next up here, next up here, and then you can click send now, or you can send a test email. In this case, I've just used this website temp-mail.org to create a temporary mail to test this, as I like to see what it's going to look like in the inbox. And you can see I already gotten one automated email here, which you can also check out on my YouTube channel, how to set that up. But simply, once you're happy with it, have double checked everything, you can click send now here. And now it's being sent to all your customers that's on your email list. So if you go to this email here and just wait a moment, we're going to receive a new email in just a second. And as you can see, if you check down the clock here, you can see it just took a couple of minutes. You can actually see in here if it says sending or sent. Once it's green here, that means that all of the emails to every single person have been sent out and is in the inbox. So as we can see here, we received the email, so we can click here to see what it looks like. And that is a pretty good example of what they're going to receive. So obviously customize it to your website as you'd like, and then you can check out what it's going to look like a bit more clearly. But that's pretty much it. And then one more thing, which is a really great feature, is that you can see how many people have actually clicked and opened this email. So in this case, because I've only have one temporary email sent up to this right now, you can see that it's been opened twice now, because I've just looked at it twice. But that's a really good way for you to check out how many people have received the email and actually clicked on it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and let me know if you have any other questions in the comments, and I'll try my best to help you below. Thanks for watching.